As we all know, this everybody here has a reason bakit tayo nandito. This is because we want to learn how to use AI to level up our businesses. So, us in my little team in Focus State Creative, we develop our um, very own workflow on how to use AI. These are tips and techniques na ginagamit namin sa aming work that would help us level up our business. Naririnig ba? Everybody can hear. Okay, so throughout this meeting, second. Okay, throughout this meeting, I'll ask you to chat na lang. Kasi I deliberately muted everybody para hindi distracting. And then if ever I want some interaction, gusto nyo na ano, usually I would normally ask for kung narinig nyo ba or hindi. So you can type Y para yes. N for no, kung hindi nyo naririnig. So Y for yes. So narinig ba guys? Can you type Y? Yung mga nandyan. Ayan, Y. Thank you, Justin. Ayan. So we have Y's. Rinig naman. Okay. Alright. Okay, thank you. So yun yung basis ko kung kasi hindi ko naman naririnig kung mabilis ba ako or mabagal ba ako. Chat lang kayo if ever na para lang ma-pace natin yung stay. So this is going to be two hour. Ang estimate ko is 2 hour. And then what we're going to do here, hindi masyado tayo mag-theory. So I wrote it in the description. We're not gonna do much on theory kasi usually naman when we work, we want to do the action kaagad. So we'll do demo kaagad. We'll do hands-on. I'm not expecting you guys na sabayan niyo ako at the same time kasi it might take a while. Kasi minsan, if ever, for example, we're generating something, it might take minutes. But I would show you how to do it in real time. That's why two hours to. So the plan here is in the title, that the plan is fast content done right, tapos copy paste post. Yun yung parang mantra natin, copy paste and post. So hindi masyado natin tatalakayin yung mga deeper understandings when it comes to AI. But at the same time, we want to know enough. So, ang idea ko pa rin is like the remote control. So, if you look at the remote control, di ba, pag titingnan niyo siya, napakadaming buttons ng remote control. Pero yung ginagamit talaga natin sa remote control, ilang buttons lang ba? Isa, dalawa, di ba? Channel, tsaka volume. Yun lang naman eh. So, it's good to know what all the buttons do, but at the same time, it's better to focus on what we really need. So that's what this demo is all about. Okay, so here are the 5 demos. We will discuss this separately later, but just to give you an idea, so you can expect what's coming in. So we're doing level up your business with AI, and then create content without stress, and use shortcuts with intent. Okay. Okay. So this particular talk is done by me and my brother. So wala siya ngayon. He is actually on the process of moving. He was supposed to, dapat kasi dalawa. There's supposed to be a two-parter, but since konti lang yung kaya ng schedule, we did it one session. So my brother and I collaborated to create this particular demo. My brother is Vincent Tevar. He is a coach and public speaker. He is also a content artist. He's an events presenter, traditional artist. Currently, he is studying vet med, and that's why he's also an advocate. Kaya ganyan yung picture niya, may kasama siyang ano ba, iguana, chameleon. So it's a reptile. And then he's also an events industry professional. So he's like a person in both worlds. He used to work. Nalala ko when he was younger, he used to create standees for events in Davao City. So marami siyang artistic. So parang kumbaga na mas na-hone niya yung kanyang pagiging artist when AI came in. So AI just happened a couple of years ago, diba? So ngayon, with the help of AI, mas lumalawak yung capabilities natin. And then the other person, the other half for this presentation is myself, Jet Tevar. So by day, my day job is really as a content creator. So it's right here, content marketing executive for a BPO company. Pero ngayon, I'm also transitioning to becoming an AI content creator. So I'm a workflow specialist. So even before the advent of AI, trabaho ko talagang gumawa ng mga processes. So organizational development, workflow. So I used to before in a BPO company, whenever a client comes in, one of my number one job is to take in the business model, understand the process, document it, and then give it to them. Wala pang AI nun. So, yun talaga. So, more on proseso talaga, system. So, as long as meron kang system and you have the right tools, kahit putyo-putyo lang yung tools, kahit ano lang yan, Google Sheets lang yan, okay lang yan as long as you have a good system in place. Uh, I'm also part of Cakepreneurs. So, I'm actually the husband of Charmaine. So I'm the tech guy behind Cakepreneur. So yung mga videos. So I'm talking about Cakepreneurs now because we started this demo specifically for the Cakepreneur group. I'm the guy behind the video, yung mga demo ni Charmaine online. Ako yung nag-edit ng mga intro, mga outro. And then also I'm a creative writer. So I finished BA English major in creative writing. So nasa sulat, more on writing yung background ko. But at the same time, like I said, it's transitioning to AI. So when it comes to my background, AI has become one of the primary tools that we use at work. So at the same time, I can see the potential of it being a great tool for helping small businesses like yours. Okay, next. Okay, so before we start in this demo, we're going to discuss what this session is. So like I said, this session is practical. Okay, we're not gonna delve in much to the mga nitty-gritty. This is demo-based. So the entire session is not really a lecture, it's a demo. So I would be leaving this presentation and turning on my browser, I will turn on my tools, my AI. So para meron kayo masundan. And then this is copy-paste friendly. So all of the things that we're going to use, pin-prepare ko na lahat yan. All you have to do is copy and paste and then edit a little bit. Ganun na lang. And then what this session is not, typo. So what this session is not, this is not deep AI theory. So we're not gonna delve down on deep AI theory. Hindi din siya technical training. So hindi siya hindi siya test the level ng mga na understanding. And I cannot guarantee, I cannot offer perfect results all the time. So like anything in life, anything in online and digital, walang perfect kada gawa. So it's really more on iteration. You have to continue. But we want to do stuff. We want to do our prompts. We want to do our AI konting changes, ganun. As little changes as possible. So that's how we're going to work. By the end, these are all ito yung mga plano nating i-learn. So by the end of this session, hopefully we can create quality business content, turn rough ideas into ready-to-post content, use purposeful prompts. We'll discuss what prompts is later to guide AI results, familiarize the core AI tools for content creation, improve visuals without reshooting. So visuals, I mean the pictures, images. Create polished images and videos for your business, and then generate unlimited content ideas on demand. And then sa last, we are also going to compose a song using AI. Okay ba? So far, gets naman. Can we see why ulit? Why sa ating chat? Are we good with everything so far? Yan, sakto naman sa in-expect natin. Yan. Okay. Thank you. All right. So moving on. So here's the thing. So before everything else, we'll see how we can anchor this. Ito yung mga normal na concerns or discussions when it comes to AI or when it comes to in your business. So number one problem is there's no time to explore or experiment AI. So a lot of people here, a lot of business owners, small business owners, or kahit sino, kahit hindi business owners, kahit work, they like AI as a tool. Pero hindi nila nakikita yung AI as something na gusto nilang pagbabaran ng attention for the entire day. It's not a 24/7 thing. So that's one thing. So we have to address that in this demo. Another is sometimes we see idea blocks. So minsan nakikita natin na dami nating idea or sometimes wala tayong idea. So there's no clear direction on what to post, especially for those na very heavy on social media. Okay, another problem that we see is that there's too many tools. There's too many tools and information and not enough guidance. Ayan. So, may nagsabi sa akin na bakit ako sasali sa sa class? Marami namang online na na discussion on how to do stuff. So, that's right. Actually, even myself, I'm a recipient of stuff that I understood from YouTube, yung mga free resources. Kahit ako, mahilig ako sa ganun. Pero even if ang daming libreng resources online, yung guidance yung hindi natin, that's the guidance is the one thing that we don't have. Kasi lahat yun ginawa for the general public. For us now, we want to be able to use AI only for us, for our business and specific to our needs. So, kailangan natin ng, even if there's free tools everywhere, kailangan, yung guidance is not readily available. So, this is what we are trying to answer here. Next. Ayun. So, sometimes we also encounter bad photos. So, kahit gano'n mo ka-angle, gano'n mo ka-plan yung photos, we always have bad photos and there's no simple way to fix them. And then sometimes we want fun and realistic videos, pero ayaw natin mag-film. Minsan you want to take a picture, video, hindi maganda yung filming. Minsan nahihirapan tayo mag-edit, ganun. Pero we want the results of having a good video to post. And last, you're curious about AI music, and naririnig siya, but don't know where to start. Especially now na maraming ano. Overall, the main concern is that content takes time, and then I want to use AI in a way that's fun, fast, and easy. So what I'm saying is that sometimes if we encounter this as somebody, as a business owner, or as an individual who encounters this, these are the kinds of problems that are our roadblocks. So ito yung mga roadblocks natin na i-encounter. So what is AI for you? So this is how I would suggest or I would share to you what AI is for me. So at the same time, this is what I would share what AI is going to be for you. Number one, AI doesn't replace you. AI is there to amplify you. So, for example, if you're someone na, kasi ang palagi kong nakuha is someone who writes. If I can write one article in 1 hour, with AI, I'll be able to write 10 articles, even 50 articles in 1 hour. So, it's true na hindi ako yung main na manual na nag-write all of that. Pero, understanding what the content is, understanding, because supposedly ako yung expert because I'm the one giving the direction. Ang results ko ngayon is X50. So, AI does not necessarily replace me, pero it actually amplifies me. So, in relation to that, I believe that AI follows direction, and the role that we have is that AI follows direction. You're the one who's supposed to provide it. Okay? Again, AI reflects judgment, and you decide what's good. So, ever since I started started working with AI, I've always created it in such a way that AI will give the options. And then my job is to curate. So, hanapin ko kung alin doon yung best possible na kung ako yung gumawa, ito yung lalabas. And then AI is powerful but never automatic. Ayan. So AI, kaya tinatawag na prompts yung binibigay natin kay AI. So everything that you put on the AI machine is called prompts. That's why that's why it's called prompt. 'Di ba pag ginawa natin yung prompt sa ibang tao, ibig sabihin tayo yung nag-trigger. We're the one who triggers something. Si AI, hindi siya magtatrabaho all of a sudden para lang sa iyo. Kailangan mo pa rin siyang i-trigger. So you're still the one. Ikaw pa rin yung kumbaga sa ikaw yung pasimulo palagi dapat. And here's a reality check. AI is here to stay and everyone will use it eventually. So, dami pa rin mga tao na in denial when it comes to AI. Like, they don't want to use it. They think it's going to ruin quality and everything. Pero, same as when internet came, it's gonna stay and it's gonna be free. No, nakala namin dapat habang libre pa si AI, gamitin natin kasi magiging expensive na siya or whatever. Pero, you'll realize na the AI companies, all the companies has more incentive in keeping it free than making it making it expensive for people. So AI is going to stay here. It's just a matter of how are we going to use it, and if you're gonna be ahead of the curve. Okay. Ayan. So next, AI is just a tool. Okay, and what matters is how you use it. And like I said earlier, um, it's the same as social media, email. Wala namang masama kung gagamit ka ng social media. Pero like any other tool, like for example, martilyo or lagari. Kung as itself, as a tool, hindi naman siya masama. Pero it's up to you if you're gonna do good or gonna do bad about it. So you can't blame the tool if it's used for a bad purpose. And you can't also praise the tool for saying na, ay, dahil yan sa AI, kaya gumanda ang buhay ko. It's still just a tool. It's really up to you and how you use that particular tool. All right. So AI is like baking. Kasi alam ko may mga bakers kasi yung focus natin na target sa cakepreneurs. Ito yung magandang analogy ko. So it's like baking. There's in baking kasi clear instructions matter. So you have to look at the ingredients. So dapat yung process, yung procedure, dapat tama yung procedure na ibibigay mo or susundin mo. Same with AI. Whenever you're using AI, you have to um, focus on following the right procedure. The ingredients affect results. So, in AI prompting, pag maganda yung prompt mo, maganda yung result. Pag basura naman yung prompt mo, basura din yung results. Same with ingredients. Kung pangit yung ingredients na gagamitin mo for baking a bread or cake, pangit din yung lalabas na result. Structure creates consistency. Okay? So, dapat maganda yung structure ng recipe mo, maganda yung structure ng ingredients mo, maganda yung structure ng baking equipment mo, ganun. And then you can tweak the recipe. Diba? Sometimes, kunyari gusto natin mas fudgy yung brownies, diba? Babaguhin mo yung gaano kadaming ganito, gaano kadaming butter, gaano kadaming ganyan. So you can also tweak it. Same with working with AI. Sometimes, some recipes are reliable. So whenever I say this, it's that, di ba minsan if you're a baker, meron kang specialty. Or if you're a cook, you have a specialty. So, sabihin natin, merong mga recipes na memorize mo na kasi it's a reliable recipe. So in AI, that's also something that I personally use. We have prompts. So I have special prompts na reliable for me na kahit anong situation, I use that prompt as my go-to prompt. And at the end, it's a matter of taste. So it's very important, this part, kasi kahit gawin mo yung best possible cake para sa'yo, some people will still not like it. So same with AI. So for example, I do a content. Para sa akin maganda yung content, pero para sa ibang tao hindi siya maganda. So it's just a matter of taste. Even if you do all the things right, it's not gonna resonate to all people. Like I said, there's nothing perfect with this. It's just improving the process of what we're doing. Okay? So anyone can do AI, but not everyone can do AI well. So that's what we are trying to accomplish here. We want to be able to do AI very well. Okay? Sige. So, malapit na tayo mag-demo. Pero before we can start with the demo, let's work with the tools. Ayan, so ito, alam ko maraming excited when it comes to tools, just so that you know ano yung mga best tools that we're using. Now, before I move on, I want to clarify na there are a lot of tools everywhere. So, hindi siya, kumbaga, this is not a definitive list of the perfect tools for you. Sometimes, baka nga wala dito sa mga isi-share ko yung gusto mo na tool. Maybe you're familiar to a better tool and I'm not, so that's okay. The thing is, um, there's no one perfect tool for all process, for all procedure. The tools that I'm going to share is just based on my personal experience. Kasi I know that AI is very fast. Some tools get outdated. Maraming mga iba na, every other week there's a new tool coming up. So, of course, we want the best for ourselves. But at the same time, kung maya-maya hanap ka ng bagong tool, wala ka na magagawa. So, at least for this demo, I'm going to share you the tools that I personally am using for my business and for my work. So here are the tools that I use. Number one is this one. First is ChatGPT. It turns ideas, notes, and goals into clear prompts, scripts, and structured content fast. So I think this is going to be a staple for many AI makers. Kasi siya yung number one eh. Siya yung, kumbaga, pinaka-primary source. Marami nang mas nagki-claim and I believe na marami ding mas iba talaga na mas magaling pa sa ChatGPT. But currently, this is one is the most reliable version. So we have free ChatGPT, but personally, I would suggest you would na magbayad ka nung pinakamura niya here in the Philippines, which is ChatGPT Go. Currently, it's at 300 pesos per month. So, mura lang siya. Kung isipin mo, compared to whatever, kung sa lahat ng pwede mong ma-receive, para sa akin, it's a sulit siya. Lalo na pag you're a small business owner. It's a very small price to pay for a lot of good things that you can accomplish. Next is this one, Google Gemini. So ChatGPT can also create pictures, but Google Gemini has a uh, special, special function or special model called Nano Banana. So that's the best. Para sa akin na, it's not the best, but it's one of the best when it comes to creating or enhancing images. So it's actually free, but again, if you want better results, this is for advanced users. It would be also prudent to get a subscription for Google Gemini. And then Meta AI. Sinali ko siya dito kasi especially for those who want to do content reels. Meta is actually very quick. Hindi siya perfect. It's very far from perfect. But it's if you want to create usable B-roll style videos, yung mga mabilis lang na gawin, ito yung actually para sa akin na pinakamabilis, pinaka-nifty, kahit sa phone mo lang siya gawin. So Meta AI. Meta AI is connected to Facebook. So if you want quick business content na interesting and fun and quirky, yan, Meta AI is the one to do. Okay, here's another one, Flow. Ito yung pinaka-recent with the Veo 3. Ano siya? One of the most advanced um, video. So if you're gonna watch yung mga joke videos, mamaya I'll show you later. Veo is actually one of the actually 3.1 na siya ngayon eh. More realistic when it comes to editing a good video. So I'll give you a copy of all this. Actually, I'll give you a copy of the presentation later. So you don't have to take notes. Okay. And then Suno. Actually, maingay si Suno ngayon. Although there are a lot of other na like producer AI, mga ganun. Pero for now, para sa akin, Suno is the go-to when it comes to generating original music. So if you want to create original music, theme songs, mga kanta-kanta, jingle, this is a very nifty tool in creating music. It's also AI. Okay, second batch is ito, Dgen. So Dgen AI is one of the things na dati kong ginigit-keep kasi not a lot of people know about it. Pero Dgen is actually one of the cheapest. I think this is the cheapest. Ewan ko lang ha, you can correct me if you find something or baka may alam kayo. Pero for me, at least in my purview, this is actually the cheapest video platform na it has access to Veo 3.1 at saka Sora. So kanina kasi sa Flow, Veo 3.1 lang yung access niya. But Dgen has the ability to create Sora, Veo 3.1, tapos meron din siya yung kanyang in-house na Dgen lang. So I'll show you how we work on this and why I prefer this over other video platforms. It starts at 499. So around ano ba yan sa peso? 500, 600. Yeah. Fresh.audio, ito, giligate-keep ko rin before. This is a free cloning voice tool. It actually takes your voice and then it replicates it as something that you can use. So, kukunin niya yung boses mo, i-record mo yung boses mo or mag-upload ka ng clip ng boses mo. Tapos, you'd be able to type any text and then yung voice mo mismo ang magbabasa ng text na yun. It would generate a video. Ang limitation lang niya for the free version, ewan ko, hindi ko pa siya na-try na bayaran kasi because medyo limited tong Fish Audio is that it has language limits. So kahit boses mo, hindi niya kayang mag-Filipino at this time. Pero what we like about this is that kahit free siya, it enables cloning. Kaya mo mag-clone ng voice mo. CapCut, meron siyang AI sa loob, but I use this as a beginner-friendly video editor. So normally we would in my company I would usually use Premiere Pro, pero that's a whole big can of worms na kailangan pa ng license, malaki masyado yung bayad, pero right now napapalitan na siya ng mga CapCut. So para siya kung if you think about Canva, CapCut is the video version of that. Although may video din naman si Canva. The free version itself has a lot of views na, and I actually just use the free version in connecting cut to cut yung mga videos na generate ko. Google Sheets, of course. I use this. We are going to use a Google Sheet. It's a cloud-based spreadsheet for organizing our data. I will put all the prompts that we're going to use later here in Google Sheets kasi siya yung pinakamadali. Pinaka-basic, walang no frills ng mga na tool. So, we'll be using this for this demo. And 11 Labs. So 11 Labs is just like Fish Audio, pero 11 Labs is like kung si ChatGPT yung number one sa text, generative text, si 11 Labs yung number one when it comes to AI voice. So you can't clone pag wala ka sa premium niya. So premium starts at $5. Pwede mo na i-clone yung sarili mo. Sa sarili mong voice. And at the same time, pwede ka na magsalita ng Filipino dito. So even if English yung voice na kinuha mo, pag ilalagay mo siya ng Filipino text, magfi-Filipino siya. Kaya marami na ring mga Filipino voiced AI ngayon. Thanks to 11 Labs. Okay? So these are the core tools. There's probably more that I might discuss later. Pero for now, at least just for this demo, ito yung mga siguro top 10 na tools na dito. Okay. We're almost there on the demo stage. Pero before that, ito yung kumbaga, heart of what I'm trying to share. This is called the Baker technique. Sorry. So when it comes to prompting, let's discuss prompting. Prompting is how you would write a particular instruction to ChatGPT, Suno, to whatever tool, but not everybody can prompt well. Kailangan merong particular style of prompting para maayos yung labas. So sabi ko kanina, kung maganda yung prompt mo, maganda yung kalalabasan. Pag pangit naman yung prompt mo, pangit din yung kalalabasan. Okay? Or siguro hindi naman natin sabihin na pangit, pero alam mo yun yung parang hindi ka agad yun yung perfect or hindi ka agad yun yung ina-envision mo. So, same lang yan sa if you're going to give an instruction sa Jollibee. Gusto ko ng chicken joy, ganyan. Kung hindi maganda yung pagbigay mo ng instruction, may hirapan yung server na yung kumuha ng order mo na ibigay sa iyo yung order mo na maayos, 'di ba? So same with AI. So here's a prompting technique that I developed for this, and at least for this mga Cakepreneur audience natin. I did it Baker. So it starts with letter B, which is background. So whenever you write something, you have to provide context and tell AI what's the situation. Okay? So for example, gusto mong gumawa ng post sa Facebook, hindi pwede na sabihin mo kay AI na create a post for me. Pag gagawin mo lang yun na create a post for me, sabihin natin, create a post for me about having a 50th birthday. Ganun. Tatanong siya, gagawa pa rin si AI. Hindi yan katulad ng ibang writers na nakakilala ko na magrereklamo na, kulang ang information. Si AI, hindi yan magrereklamo, gagawa at gagawa siya. Kahit mag-imbento siya, gagawa siya kasi yun yung hiningi mo. Pero, if you want a better post, you have to provide background. Sabihin mo na, sino ka ba? Anong significance ng 50th birthday? Bakit ganyan? So, you have to provide context. So, you have to write na, I am a baker, I've been in the industry for ganyan. So, bigyan mo siya ng konting context para alam ni AI kung ano yung what's the context that it's going to write about. Ayan. Next is audience. This is optional, pero it's a very useful thing to include in your prompt kasi you have to describe the people the result is for. para saan yung ginagawa mo. So, sino yung magbabasa? Kasi AI would adjust the tone, AI would adjust the result, AI would adjust the composition of a particular text if they know who is going to read it. Kung sasabihin mo na ang magbabasa nito ay mga 5-year-old kids, sabihin mo kay AI, AI, create a small alphabet quiz for 5-year-old kids. Alam niya, nagagawa siya ng ganun. Pero pag sinabi mong create a small algebra test for my child who is 16 years old, alam din niya kung paano isulat yung ganun. So, you have to describe, kailangan mo maging specific kung ano yung audience na or na mag re-receive nung result. Okay? That's B, A, tapos K is key. Key is like instruction, key instruction. So this is the main instruction, the core wish you want AI to do. So, ito yung pinaka-basic. Kahit mawala na yung iba, kahit wala mo siya ng background, dapat alam mo na ni AI kung anong gagawin niya. So, kailangan ko bang mga specific na things na kailangan ko gumawa ng post, kailangan ko bang gumawa ng script, kailangan ko bang gumawa ng lyrics. So, it depends on him. Kailangan ko bang gumawa ng prompt. Minsan, you can also ask AI to do another prompt. So, yan yun. So, this is the main idea, the K. And then E is execution or format, execution style. So, minsan, dadagdagan mo pa ng mga instructions. So, gusto mo na, instead na create AI, create a slogan for me, pwede mo kasi sabihin na create 3 slogans for me so I can choose. So, pwede ganun. Create 5 slogans or create 2 posts. Instead na 1 post lang, gusto mo yung post na gagawin mo, dalawa na magka-connect. So, isa sa pang-umaga, isa sa pang-hapon, same topic. So, pwede yun kay AI eh. So, pwede mo siyang laro-laruin na ganun. So, it also depends on what kind of execution style you're going to ask it. And last is role. So, this is also very, very important. You have to make AI assume a specific position to focus its POV. So, mahilig akong bigyan ng role si AI. So, sasabihin ko sa kanya na you have to act like a coach and then give me a lesson plan, or I have to act like a secondary grade teacher, third grade teacher, make me a quiz. You have to act like sabihin ko sa kanya na experienced baker and make me a recipe for ganito ganyan. So, kailangan mo siyang bigyan ng kailangan mong bigyan siya ng label na kung ano yung dapat na hat na susuotin niya so that AI would know how to focus its energies on. So, dapat meron siyang specific point of view. We have tried this na merong ganito, merong baker style, at saka wala. So, hindi naman perfect, hindi naman ibig sabihin na pag may ganito, perfect agad lalabas. Hindi rin ibig sabihin na pag walang ganito, hindi rin maganda yung lalabas. So, it depends lang on you. Maraming online, if you look online, merong iba craft, aim, may mga iba-iba sila. Pero for this purpose, baker yung gagamitin natin. So, kahit malimutan mo na lahat ng ituturo ko for this demo, at least ma-remember mo lang na pag meron kang ganitong knowledge or meron kang ganitong attitude whenever prompting kay AI na meron siyang background, meron siyang audience, meron siyang key instruction, meron siyang execution style, tsaka meron siyang role to follow. At least sabihin natin kung hindi 100%, at least 80 to 90% maganda yung kalalabasan nung i-generate mo sa AI. Okay? Alright, so tama na yung ano. Okay na ba? So far, let's stop here muna. So far, do you have any questions? Okay ba? Yes or no lang kung may questions kayo or wala. Or ano, I'll allow, hold on. Kasi after this, we'll start demo na eh. So, kung meron ba kayong mga tanong, try nyo i-chat if you have questions and then I'll try to answer. Kasi after this, hindi naman kalimutan, pero we'll set this all aside and then we'll start doing the demo. No questions? Yes or no? Meron ba? Mas okay naman kung meron. Okay din kung wala. Kasi tuloy na tayo. Ayan. Excited na yata lahat mag-ano demo. Excited na kayo mag-demo. Okay, sige. Kung may questions kayo ha, just chat na lang. Even if even if we're in the middle of the demo, just spell out your question. I will stop this. I will stop this. Ayan, you don't need perfection. Sige, balik natin. Ano yun? Meron pa pala sa baba yan. You don't need perfection, you need clarity. Okay, teka lang ha. Ayusin ko na yung connection ko. Okay, so you don't need perfection, you need clarity. Dapat clear tayo. Just think of it as if yung anak mo, inutusan mo bumili ng suka. Or sabihin mo sa anak mo, anak, bili kang delata. Hindi naman sinabi ko anong klaseng delata yung binili. Kunyari, binili niya Liberty Condensada, ganun. Gusto mo pala corned beef, di ba? So, dapat clear ka. Sabihin mo kung ano. Hindi naman AI na anak, yung background na gagawin natin, kakain tayo sa pang lunch. O audience natin, tayo, kasi yun yung kakainin natin. Key instruction, bumili ka dun sa ng delata. Ganun. Pero kailangan klaro, dapat corned beef. Execution, gusto ko yung malaki. Malaking delata, hindi yung maliit kasi kulang yun. Yan. Siyempre, yung rule, wala yung rule. Rule mo, buyer. Kayo yung purchaser ng bahay. Ganun lang naman, hindi naman siya ganun ka-difficult intindihin. Okay, so let's go. Ito yung pinakamadaling gawin. I'll demo this. This is very simple, guys. It won't even take 10 minutes. Pero explain ko lang what this one is. So the demo generator answers this problem. Okay, so ideas generator master prompt, yun yung i-share ko sa inyo for our first demo. Okay? So the problem, wala akong maisip, di ba? Or ang dami nang nasa isip ko pero magulo. Okay? I look at this side, guys, kasi dalawang screen ko. I have to look para lang makita ko siya. Pero yun yung concern. So, di ba, usually sinasabi nila, anong post ko ngayon? Wala akong maisip. Or, ano gagawin ko sa business ko ngayon? Wala akong maisip. Or, marami ka naman nasa isip, pero hindi naman ako-organize. Or, hindi mo siya ma-articulate. So, normal lang yan, especially sa mga business owners. Kasi bihira yung mga business owners na wala masyadong ideas. Alam ko, isa sa mga reason ba't ka naging business owner is because ang dami mong idea, di ba? Or, minsan, sa sobrang daming idea, paulit-ulit na siya, or minsan, may mga nakikita kang ginawa nila, ba't di mo siya pwede gawin? Minsan, nakakagulo siya minsan. So, nagkakabuhol-buhol siya sa brain mo. So, yan yung pwede nating i-solve with this particular prompt. So, ito yung solution, how to solve using these steps. So, meron kasi akong ginawang master prompt. So, ang first step natin, find anything relevant to your plan. It could be notes, ideas, other people's contents, or questions. Paste all the data to the raw input box in the master prompt. I'll show you all, guys, this. Babalikan natin ito mamaya. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng rundown. Copy the full master prompt and raw input to ChatGPT or Claude AI. Claude is just like ChatGPT, pero sinasabi kasi nila na, which is I also attest, Claude is actually better than ChatGPT now. Review the results. Ask for more or ask to edit depending on what you need. So, depende. Kunyari, maganda na yung unang lumabas, okay na rin yun. And then rinse and repeat. Ulit-ulit lang. Okay? So, what happens? What you get? You get, actually, 7, binago ko siya, but more or less, actually, 10 to unlimited out-of-the-box ideas with this prompt. Clear content direction, less mental effort, faster idea generation, and consistent posting flow. So I have to admit, this prompt, ginagamit ko rin siya, especially when I'm trying to think of new ideas, new content, new strategies. Okay, so I'll stop this na. Hindi. Sorry. Baka mamali. So for example, ito yung mga ginawa ko pala before. So brainstorming ideas. Hindi ko na siya babasahin lahat. So for example, post from day one baking, post from 1 day baking, create content ideas. Ito yung mga na-brainstorm pa using this prompt. Add-ons people quietly love. Brainstorm small extras customers appreciate but rarely talk about. Ayan. Kunyari ito, baking steps people never see. So, I'm sure this is something na interesting para sa iba na, gusto ko makita na may ganun pala na step. Home kitchen limitations turned ideas. Brainstorm product ideas shaped by limits of home baking. So these are all ideas na na-generate ko na hindi siya normal ideas na hindi na makita natin. So outside of the box ideas. So ito yung parang exercise natin. Ayan. We're going to brainstorm ideas mission demo. Brainstorm ideas mission demo. We're going to brainstorm ideas. So hindi naman lahat to gagawin natin. But these are some of the things that we can do for this demo. Come up with a marketing strategy to get more sales. Think of new products you can offer in your cake business. Think of new ways to make my current customers happier. Find out what new tools should I buy to help my business. Ayan, maganda rin yan. come up with great ways to increase my monthly orders. And so this time guys, I'm going to ask you, anong gusto niyong gawin natin? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Okay, no probs. So gawin natin yung 1 kasi una yung 1 lumabas. Tapos kung may oras tayo, gawin natin yung 3. Okay, let's start. Okay. So, balik tayo dun sa pinaka-basic natin. So, our plan is to come up with a marketing strategy to get more sales. Ayan. So, for example, ano tayo? Baking, kasi ano tayo? Baking, we are a uh, baking company or baking business. So, ito yung prompt ko. So, dito yung prompt ko. Hindi ko na siya babasahin. Mahaba na siya na prompt na pinrepare ko. Matagal ko na siyang pinrepare. Tsaka very detailed siya. Ayan. Tapos hindi siya magpapa-edit para hindi siya magalaw. Pero we're gonna put the raw input here. Okay? Actually, you can also put the raw input directly here. Pero yun nga, hindi siya ganun kaganda. Hindi ganun kaganda yung lalabas. Compared sa kung meron kang prompt. Malaki natin para makita nyo. So, balik tayo. Ayan. So, let's input here. Ganyan, come up with a marketing strategy to get more sales. Pero, try natin dagdagan ng iba pang dagdagan natin ng iba pang ayan natin. Dagdagan pa natin ng ibang information para naman matuwa si ChatGPT. Marami siyang he can work with a lot. So, sabihin natin na we are a baking company. Our company's name is, ako na lang, Jets Cupcakery. Ayan. Tapos, my main product is chocolate cupcakes. Ayan. Binigyan natin siya ng idea. Tapos sabihin natin na cupcakes. Hanap ka ng mga idea. Hindi naman kailangan na lang na so best cupcake in Metro Manila. For example lang guys. Ayan. May mga nakita kang idea, pwede mong i-share. Kunyari ito, Everyday Mom Shop. Hanapin mo yung pinakamalapit sa ginagawa mo. Kunyari ito. Kita mo yung mga customer review na. So, pwede mo hanapin yung description. Wala masyadong description sa iyo. Ika-copy mo lang siya. Suggestion ko lang to guys. Pwedeng hindi nyo to gawin. I want to be like the top 10 companies in Metro Manila when it comes to baking. Hindi naman kailangan perfect, kaya nga siya raw input eh. Kasi paste mo dyan yung maraming kahit magulo siya na ganyan. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin, ika-copy natin siya. Start, copy, paste here. So, yung prompt at saka yung raw input, ika-copy mo siya. Copy. Tapos, punta ka sa ChatGPT and then you paste it there. Paste. So, dyan na yung mga prompt. Ready na yan. And then, it will generate. Ayan. Ayan. Bibigyan ka niya ng ideas. So, binigyan ka ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ayan. So, ang pinaka-problem question natin is marketing strategy, di ba? To get more sales. Being top 10 is operational. Wanting to be top 10 is about repeat execution of visibility. Ayan. The trade-off is boring consistency over rankings. And so, binigyan tayo ng insight na operational lang yung top 10. Ayan. Chocolate cupcakes must need to be reference point for the brand. Ayan, binigyan tayo ng mga tips kung paano natin i-improve. Ayan. So, from here, sabihin natin hindi masyado natin nagustuhan yung iba. Pwede natin sabihin kay ChatGPT, while continuing this conversation, I want actionable steps. to improve sales. Pwede mo siyang ganunan. Papatungan mo na lang siya. Ayan. So, saka siya magbibigay ng mga ganito. So, at least, meron na siyang interesting na ano. Ayan. So, ikaw as a business owner would already have a step-by-step guide on how to continue this. So, pwede mo siya hanggang mamaya, hanggang ano, at least for brainstorming lang naman siya eh. So, the idea is just how to brainstorm. Ayan. You have to clarify. So, for example, next natin na ano, yung kanina, think of new ways to make my current customers happier. Ayan. So, pupunta ka dito sa, ayan, dito. Think of new ways to make my current customers happier. Tapos, maganda kasi kung meron ka na ring ideas on who your customers are. My customers are Gen Z. They like K-pop. Ganun. So, anything that you describe them, ilalagay mo dito, mga description, anything that's relevant. Tapos, siyempre, sabihin mo na, I'm Jay's. That's Cupcakery. And give them something to work on. And then, copy mo siya. And then, paste mo lang siya dito. So, either you can create a new chat. Sige, try natin sa new chat para walang connection dun sa isa. Nagawa din siya ng bago. Ayan. So, bibigyan ka niya ng ideas. So, limited idol-inspired flavor rotations. Ayan. Gawa ka ng cupcake na K-pop daw. Tapos, collectible packaging with visual continuity. In-store, ganyan. For example, you have this. Pero para sa iyo, kulang pa siya. Or sabihin natin, walang maganda dito na ano eh. Kasi, hindi ko feel yung iba or mahal siya or ganyan. Pwede mo siyang sabihan lang na, give me, kaya dito pumapasok yung unlimited ideas. Give me another seven ideas. Kailangan mo siya dito ilagay para hindi siya gumawa ng bago. Hindi siya mag-repeat pala. So, gagawa siya ng bago. Ayan, familiar flavors, bias-friendly, and then. So, ang difference lang is that if you have this prompt, naka-focus siya into just a short, madali lang siya i-review. Hindi mo siya kailangan basahin, intindihin masyado. Kailangan mo lang siyang i-review in one reading. Ayan. So, hanap pa tayong iba ha. Last na lang before we move on. Come up with great ways to increase my monthly orders. So, kunyari dito. Ayan, Gen Z pa rin siya. Dito lang natin ilalagay yan. Come up with great ways to increase my monthly orders. Ayan, copy mo siya. And then from here, here, you just paste it. Ayan. So, meron ka ng monthly themes for customers to anticipate, order cadence, feels familiar, ganyan. So, kahit anong business na brainstorming, kahit personal mo lang na brainstorming, parang sulat mo lang dito, give me ideas on what to wear for business casual. Ayan, personal mo lang to, hindi to sa business Pero I just want to show you the reach of this prompt. Ayan, kahit dito mo lang siya ilagay, diretso na. Ayan. Bibigay ka din siya ng 7. Please, mabilis lang siya basahin. So, itong picture, minsan meron, minsan wala. So, neutral blazer, structured knit, ayan. So, yun yung first brainstorming. Kasi kahit buong hapon ako mag-brainstorm, minsan naubos yung oras ko, kaka-brainstorm lang kasi gusto mo mahanap yung idea. It's fine. Pero yun nga, we're not here to spend 24 hours when it comes to AI. Pero at least, we have an idea on how to find immediately parang at the back of our pocket, at the back of our pant pocket, na meron tayong mapapakita kaagad na ideas. So, next natin na demo is video enhancer. So, alam ko malaking malaking issue to sa online. So, if it's ethical to use AI for our pictures. Alam ko sa cakes, may mga ganun eh. So problem, sayang ang cake, maganda sana, kaso pangit yung pagkakakuha or pangit yung picture. Okay, so ito yung idea natin. Using these steps, write specific instructions in the raw input as needed. Tapos, open ChatGPT or DALL-E. Yun yung model ni ChatGPT DALL-E or Gemini, Nano Badana. Upload your original photo, product photo. So, kahit hindi masyado kagandahan ng mga photo, copy and paste the image enhancer master prompt. Yeah. And then generate the enhanced image. Review realism and framing and refine until it looks good for you. So, what we will get is professional looking product photo, better buyer trust, clean, realistic presentation, higher chance to sell, and no fake or AI look. Okay? And then same product and improved clarity. So this is the sample of what I did before. So yan yung original na mini cakes na gawa ng wife ko. Yan yung pagkaka-picture niya. Matagal na to. This is back 2013. Ayan. Nagsisimula pa lang kami sa negosyo. Simula pa lang sa negosyo. Yan yung itsura ng cake. So, when we tried to do that in AI, ayan, yan yung first na pasada. So, this is taken in, hindi, tanungin ko muna kayo, ano ba mas maganda? AI 1 or itong AI 2? Yan yung AI 2. So, nakuha niya yung cake, pero may slight differences. Pero, para sa akin at least for me as a viewer, it's still authentic based on the original picture. Okay, AI generated siya, pero hindi siya halatang AI generated. Which one do you think is better? 1 or 2? Pakilagay sa comments. 1. Yeah. So, reveal ko lang, 1 is Gemini, and then 2 is ChatGPT. So, sa next picture, ayan, ito mga unang attempts pa natin. Yung ano, hindi pa masyado maganda yung pagkaka-picture, yung lalagyan ng cake, hindi pa masyado malinis, ganun. So, when we add it to AI, ayan, ito yung first, tapos ito yung second. Diba? Ako naman, I think it's still an authentic. Ayan, AI 2 is aesthetically seen. Correct. AI 2 yung ChatGPT. So para sa akin maganda siya kasi kung titingnan nyo, hindi naman siya AI yung itsura yung picture. The picture is still the main picture. Ako lang, hindi naman siya perfect na pati yung tabingi niya nakukuha pa rin. As long as you prompt it well, you can still show an honest depiction of the actual product. Diba? Pero maganda yung background niya, maganda yung ano. So, maganda sana yung cake, pero pangit pagkakakuha. Ngayon, kahit yung pagkakakuha lang, pero yung cake, yun pa rin. It's the same thing. Kasi, ang iniiwasan natin is, bakit maganda yung cake sa picture, tapos pagdating nung cake sa actual, hindi maganda. Di ba yun yung concern palagi. So, at least with this particular prompt na ginawa ko, hindi sila masyashock. Ayan. So, next is this one. Ayan. So, one of the older cakes, yung original nga niya, mas mukha pang AI. So, yung original niya, medyo na overexpose yung color. Ayan. Pero ako, this is the earlier attempts. Hindi pa nga masyado perfect yung logo, di ba? And then, so this is the AI 1. Ayan. Pinahiga niya. Instead na nakaganyan na nakaharap, pinahiga niya. More or less, pareho lang naman. Kasi ito medyo na overexpose yung color. Ito, ni-revert niya sa original color. So, ang question is, si Baker, kung papabake siya ng ganito, makukuha niya pa rin to. Hindi naman to ganun ka pristine, di ba? Na parang mahirap yan. Hindi yan yung ano. It's still the same cake. And this is for AI 2. Medyo pataas din siya. Same nung ganito. Kahit yung imperfection nung fondant na strip, ginagaya niya, nakuha niya. So, I think it's still an honest representation of the product. Medyo nagbago lang kasi ito U1. Pero dito, naging yan na lang. Kinain siguro ni AI yung isang dice. Okay. And this one, this is a dessert station, dessert buffet. This is the original photo. And then this is the AI version. So, careful ako dito kasi baka gumawa si AI ng panibagong mga lalagyan. So sabi niya, ba't saan yung lalagyan na ganito nandun sa AI? So ginaya niya yung lalagyan, ginaya niya yung ano, yung mga stuff, at yung flowers, ginaya niya. So maganda siya, maganda yung labas pa rin. Para sa akin, honest pa rin siya na representation. Maganda lang yung ano, maganda lang yung kuha. So you understand the idea. The idea is not really creating a brand new picture. It's really just fixing the current picture, fixing the original photo na hindi masyado kagandahan. Okay? Ito, this is like sa Changi na dadaanan ko. Ito yung AI 1, ito yung AI 2. So, hindi lang siya sa cakes. Pwede rin sa ibang mga bagay-bagay. So ito, nasa display case pa nga siya eh. So ginawan siya ni AI ng ano itsura niya pag wala siya sa display case. Pwede siya gumawa ng ganyan. Diba? Perfect. So very useful prompt, very useful tool. So that's the image enhancer prompt. Ito yung gagawin natin. Enhance an image of an old picture of your signature cake. Improve a bad picture of a wedding cake. Ganyan. Improve a picture of your workstation or kitchen. Enhance a photo of one of your tools. Enhance a photo of your ingredients or materials. Ayan. So hanap tayo ng pwede nating i-enhance for our next demo. This is demo number 2. Okay? Alis muna tayo. So dito yung idea generator, dito yung image enhancer. Same idea. Kung meron kang gustong idagdag, ilagay mo siya dito. Kung wala naman, okay lang din. Kopyahin mo lang yung prompt na dito. Mahanap tayo ng picture. I'll look for a picture of mine. Photos natin. Sapatos. Ano ba? So this is, so for example, ano ba? Ano ganda natin? Kaya ito, chinelas. Ayan, chinelas. Nakita namin sa ano. So, what we're gonna do, we'll try ChatGPT. Kuha tayo ng bago. Para ano. Tapos, we'll also try Gemini. Gemini. Alam natin. I-paste to yung picture dyan. Tapos, pwede ka magbigay ng instruction. Sabihin mo dito na, slippers yun eh. Yan. Show only 3 of the best slippers from the photo. Yan lang. Sabihin natin, yan lang. Huwag na natin masyado pahirapan. Yan. So, paste mo siya dito sa ChatGPT. Enter. Tapos sa Gemini, paste mo siya dyan. Lagay mo sa Gemini pala, you have to create image. Kailangan yung banana. Kasi pag wala, sabihin niya na hindi siya ano, hindi siya hindi siya text. Kumbaga, text yung ibibigay niya, hindi siya image. Ayan. And then you have to wait. Hintayin natin. So sa tingin mo, useful ba yung gano'n na ano sa business ninyo? Is that a useful thing? Ayun, so tatlo lang nga. Maganda siya, di ba? Tingnan natin yung original. Ayun. Ginaya lang din niya yung original. Kumuha lang siya ng tatlo. Di ba? Perfect. Kung magbebenta ka ng tsinelas. Ito namang isa, ayun lang. Maganda rin naman siya, pero wala siyang kasama. Tsaka ganito yung pagkakapresent niya. Same idea naman. So pag hindi siya perfect ganun, pwede mo pa rin siyang dagdagan. I want a close-up of this photo. These 3 pairs. Yan. Bibigyan mo siya ng instruction. Pero para sa akin, boto ako dito. So maganda na siya. Actually, isa lang ang pinakita din niya dito. Pwede natin baguhin. Pwede natin i-edit. I want 3 pairs of slippers here. Pwede, nagbayad tayo. Pwede tayo magbigay ng instruction. Hanggang sa makuha mo yung perfect na ano, perfect na picture na gusto mo. Ayaw niya pa rin. Ganyan, minsan may ganyan. Kaya balik naman ako dun sa sarili. Hindi ko ma-offer na perfect na ano palagi. Minsan aayaw siya, minsan hindi niya kaya. So pag ganun, huwag tayo malungkot, huwag tayo mag-stop. Hanap ka na ng ibang picture or hanap ka ng ano. Kasi same lang din yan sa kunyari may trabahante kang ganun. Yan. Hindi din, ayaw din niya. So, hanap ka na lang ng ibang ano, ibang photo or pwede mo ibahin yung prompt mo. Dagdagan mo ba siya? Ganyan. So, for example, ganyan. I-paste mo siya dito. Tapos babaguhin mo lang sa labas. I want all slippers. Sure. Tapos babalik mo yung ano, para lang hindi niya ma-forget. In a better life. Studio. Okay, lalabas. At minsan, ganun din yung ano eh, excitement natin kung makita, ano yung lalabas? Maganda ba yung labas niya? So while waiting for that, hanap tayo ng ibang picture. Candles. So, anong labas? Ayan, pinakita niya lahat ng ano, slippers. Okay na rin. So, kunyari, ito namang candles. Ayan. Punta ka dun sa prompt natin. Lalagay mo dyan na arrange the items beautifully in a table. Ayan. Kasi hindi siya nasa table kanina dun sa original photo. Ayan, kasi nakaganyan siya. So, ngayon, gusto natin naka-arrange siya sa table. So, see kung anong itsura niya. Ayan, si Gemini. Ayan tayo kay ChatGPT. Okay, so ganun lang. If you have a photo, let's put it there. Okay. Now, sa ChatGPT naman, kunyari, you want to continue working on this, pwede mo siyang diretso na lang na change dito. Huwag mo na ilagay lahat ng prompt. Hindi naman kailangan na maya-maya ibalik mo yung prompt. Eh. So, ano ginawa niya? Inarrange ba niya sa table lahat? Ah, yan. Ano yung original? Ayan. Ginawa na lang yung table. So, try natin pag cakes. Ito tayo sa Cakepreneur. Yan, sa group natin. Natin ng photos. Okay. Ayan, yung mga nag-share lang. Hiramin lang natin yung photos. Doon naman natin aagawin. Kunyari ito, nakaganyan siya. Sabihin natin walang prompt. Okay. Sige, try natin dito. Saka try din natin dito. Sabihin natin walang prompt. Diretso lang. Ano. Wala ng mga raw input. Prompt lang. Pwede din siguro na. Ayan. Ganito. Tapos dito rin sa kabila. Tingnan natin ano mas maganda. Ay, dapat pala naka-image. Tingnan natin kung gumawa siya. Kasi sabi kasi i-create an image. Ayun, loading banana. Ayun. Ayun. Medyo kinuha naman din niya. Ito naman sa kabila. Ayun, pwede ka rin buong hapon. Lagay ka lang ng lagay ng picture. Hmm. Maganda rin. Yun yung original nito. Ayun yung original niya. So, kakamukha ang kamukha. Para sa akin, ewan ko lang sa inyo pero para sa akin, mas maganda, mas faithful yung nilalabas ni ChatGPT. So, yun. Tip lang yun. Tsaka marami namang ibang ano, there's a lot of tools out there. Dalawa lang yung in-explore natin. Pero for now, ChatGPT I think is the better tool. Okay? Okay. Sige, let's move on to the next demo. So far, may questions ba kayo guys? Do you have questions? Anything? Feel free to type. Wala naman. Okay lang yan. Walang questions. At least, ibig sabihin na intindihan natin lahat. Okay. Sige. So, let's go to the next demo. Ayan. So, weekly post generator. Ito naman, this is special request from me. Kasi gusto ng mga tao posts. So, nahihirapan silang, ano bang next kong ipopost? Anong post ko? So, actually, kanina dun sa brainstorm, pwede ka rin maglagay dun, brainstorm ng mga posts. Pero ito naman, specifically created to really make posts. So, depende sa post mo. Ayan. Hirap naman mag-post araw-araw, pero hindi pwede zero posts. Ayan. Ito yung steps ko. So, I'm writing this down para mabalikan nyo mamaya. So, 1 week to na post, one post per day. So, collect all raw data, notes, contents, any other ideas, paste them in the raw input box. Copy and paste weekly post master prompt to ChatGPT or Claude. Review 7 posts generated. Create AI suggested images using suggested prompts in ChatGPT or Gemini. And then review until satisfied and post on Facebook. So this is what you get. 7 ready to post Facebook captions. Clear daily structure. No guessing. Posts that sound like a real business owner. Built-in image prompts. A page that looks active, present, and trustworthy. Ayan. Okay, so this is the kind of prompt that I made. Ayan. Hindi naman ganito yung setup ko talaga, pero sinadjust niya yan. Gumawa siya ng parang ganyan na prompt. Sa cake naman, kunyari baker daw ako, gusto ko, pinost ko lang just to show you. So hindi ko talaga siya ginawang ganyan, pero nag-generate siya, nag-suggest siya ng ganyan generation. Kasi people are sometimes surprised when I say, akala nila simple. So Taglish yung post, the prompt that I made is Taglish para mas, kasi alam ko kasi na Filipino tayo, Filipino yung target natin. Pero of course, you can change it, you can tweak it. Okay? So this is a suggested demo. Set up a weekly post calendar as someone who bakes at home. Create weekly posts featuring quotes that reflects your values. And patok to masyado ngayon yung mga quotes. Make a bunch of posts that celebrates the upcoming holidays. Kung merong holidays. Create a campaign of posts leading to selling your products. Yeah. Or make a daily post calendar that reflects your personal thoughts. Ano sa tingin niyo yung gagawin natin? Saktong-sakto Sunday ngayon. So we can plan the next week, this coming week, kung ano mga post natin. So what do you think guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Ano gusto niyo i-demo natin? Hello, hello. Pulse check. Are you still there? 3? Okay. Make a bunch of posts that celebrates the upcoming holidays. May ano bang upcoming holidays natin? February. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ano mga February upcoming holidays? Ayun, Chinese New Year at saka Lunar New Year. Tamang-tama. This week ba? Chinese New Year? So that's fine. Okay. Let's start a new chat. Let's go to number 3, weekly posts. Okay, so make posts about the upcoming holidays, specifically Chinese New Year. Yan. Ano pa? Ano pa yung iba? Lunar New Year. Pareho lang yun. Chinese New Year. Sabihin natin pati na Valentine's Day. Ayan. Kasi malapit na yung Valentine's Day. Although wala pa namang and Valentine's Day. So ano to? Is this a business post, personal post? Sabihin natin business. Relate it to my business. Yung anong business po niya, Jay's Cupcakery. Cupcakery. Ayan. Sabi natin ganyan lang muna. Pwede mo pa siya dagdagan So actually, ang pwede natin gawin, kunyari ito. Pwede mo siyang pwede mong i-copy yung ano mo, yung tone mo, para lang alam niya kung paano ka nagsasalita. Kasi ganito, for example, itong gagawin ko ha. Para lang alam niya yung way mo na magsasalita. Lahat ng dati mong post, copy mo. Paano ka mag-caption? Kasi ganyan, hanggang dyan. Pwede mo sabihin kay chat, kay ano na, this is, sabihin mo sa kanya na, ano yun? Copy the way I write in my posts. See below. Ayan. Sasabihan ko siya na gayahin mo yung way na paano ako nagpo-post sa baba. Ayan. Kahit magulo, 'di ba magulo siya. Okay lang 'yan. Si ChatGPT na bahala mag-intindi niyan. So copy this, go to ChatGPT. Pwede rin tayo mag-open ng Claude. Let's open Claude AI para lang ma-compare natin kung maganda. Ilagay natin dito. Ayan. So nasa baba is, ayan. Dito na yung raw input. So, Jay's Cakery. Okay. Ay, disable na. Pati huwag dyan. Bakit hindi pala yun? Ayun, no. Madami pang pinapagawa. Saka na lang yun. Ito na lang muna tayo sa ChatGPT. Ayan. So here's the output. Okay, so papakita ko sa inyo, the prompt was specifically made to follow the date that it's prompted. So for example, today is February 8. Yung first day niya is always kung ano yung day siya na pinaprompt. Ayan, February 8, Monday, February 9. Diba? So may ganun siya na feature. So ginawa ko talaga siya na ganun siya. Hindi yung day 1, day 2 lang. Meron talaga siyang date. Para ikaw as a content writer, hindi mo siya iisipin. It's like an automatic calendar. Ito yung copy. We're already getting messages about Chinese New Year boxes. Ayun. People asking what flavors last longest, which one travels well. So this is because I have a cupcake business that usually tells me the planning has started. If you're bringing something to the table and don't want to overthink, message us today so we can set aside a box that actually makes sense for the handaan. Ayan. Okay? So ito yung sa nakaset din siya na last message is always a call to action. Message us today. So dito naman sa baba, ang call to action na is send us a quick inquiry. Ito naman sa baba, message us today. Ayan. So meron siya palaging message us so we can talk about. Meron siya palaging CTA, call to action. So yung image prompt naman niya, create an image, a smartphone for this particular prompt. Create an image, a smartphone taken inside. So wag natin basahin, tingnan lang natin kung ano yung image yung sinasuggest niya. So pwede natin dito gawin, pwede rin sa separate. So dito na lang natin gawin. So for example daw, ito yung first image. 'Di ba? So siya na yung gumawa ng prompt for the images connected to that particular post. Tingnan natin ang maganda. And so, of course, nasa sayo lang din yan kung anong picture mo. Pwede rin na hindi mo siya gayahin. Sabihin natin, meron kang sarili mong photo, pwede yung sarili mong photo. Suggestion lang naman siya. Ayan. So, kunyari, ito daw kasi cupcakery ako. Diba? So, for example, yan, nagustuhan ko na siyang ganyan. Sabihin natin, hindi, gusto ko red. Kasi make the boxes red. And, tapos improve the background. So, kunyari, maganda. The background is my living room. Tapos kunyari red yung motif kasi nga Chinese New Year. Pwede ganun. Para lang para lang mas ma-improve natin yung aesthetics, yung visuals. So habang hinihintay natin siya, pwede natin i-post na yung ano. So i-post natin, kunyari ako ipopost ko na siya ngayon. Punta ka sa Facebook. Post ko na siya. Kunyari ito yung this is my personal Facebook Pwede mo siya i-post dyan. Copy mo dyan. So, usually, ako, personal taste ko lang to na hindi siya isang malaking paragraph para lang madali basahin. So, gagawin ko siyang 3 paragraphs or 2 paragraphs. Sa baba yung call to action. Tapos yung photo na ginawa niya, ayan. Ayan. May copy image. Tapos pa-post mo na siya. So, may post ka na. That's one day. So, ilan yun? 7 yun, di ba? Post na. Ayan. So, meron ka na post. So, of course, it's up to you if you want to edit. Pwede mo siya i-edit. Edit post, yan. The thing is, palagi ka lang may post. Yun yung pinaka-importante dun eh. Hindi naman kailangan perfect eh. Hindi naman kailangan perfect. Ang kailangan lang is meron. So, sabi nila, it's better to finish than to be perfect. It's better to be complete than to be perfect. Kasi kung gusto mo perfect palagi ng post mo, perfect palagi yung labas, wala ka lang mapopost, di ba? Kasi gawa ka lang, you're still always struggling to be perfect. So, yan. So, 7 yan. Every day, meron kang mapopost. So, for example, ayaw mo ng 7, pwede mo sabihin na, nangyari ito, na-realize mo na, ayaw ko 7, gusto ko, lahat yan, i-post ko in one day. I want it, and then rewrite. Rewrite the posts, make it applicable to be posted on just one day. Do not be specific with the dates. Ayan. So, kasi specific tayo kanina na day 1, day 2. Ayan. So ito, generic lang na 7. Ayan, post 1. Ayan, post 2. Binigyan kanya ng idea. Post 3, ganyan. Bibigay siya ng suggestion. Ano next? Or pwede mo sabihin na uh, do this again, but with image prompts. Ayan. Gagawa din siya ng may post siya, tapos meron din siyang image prompt. Diba? Kasi si ChatGPT, hindi naman niya nalimutan yung usapan niyo kanina earlier eh. Kaya ako naggagawa ng bago kasi palagi niyang nagla-learn siya eh. He's trying to learn. It's trying to learn what you're trying to say all the time. So, kahit siguro the next day, tomorrow, pag binalikan ko yung usapan namin dati, naalala pa rin niya. So, it's a continuously learning tool. Okay? Okay, so far, diyan pa ba tayo? Nasasabayan niyo pa ba? Are we still good? Ayan. Thank you for the heart. Heart, heart. Ayan. Sige, so, madami pa tayong time. So, if you have questions or if you'd like to ask for something, feel free to ask lang. But ideally, that's 3 demos in. So, we have 3 demos already. We have first is brainstorming. Pwede mo nga siya i-connect eh. So, kunyari, idea generator. For example lang ha, bigyan ko kayo ng workflow. Kasi dito naman yung pinaka-ideas. Give me an idea on what to post. The plan is to increase sales. Yan. I want to sell my chocolate cupcakes. I want the best possible post. Minsan may mga ganyan akong ginagawa na alam mo yun yung mga napakahirap na napakahirap na mga requests. Kasi si ChatGPT, the idea is for people, minsan kung ano lang nasa isip mo, ilagay mo na lang. For people to buy my items, buy my cupcakes, and ano tawag doon? Yung advertise them to their friends and family. Minsan ganyan tayo mag-isip eh, kaya raw siya. Okay, hindi siya hindi natin kailangan mahiya kay ChatGPT kung medyo magulo yung ideas natin. So, pwede natin siyang ilagay dito. Sabi natin magka-connect na sila. Kailangan natin ng idea. Bibigyan tayo ng idea ni ChatGPT. And, Yan, nakapaisip siya. Ayun. Selling without sounding pushy. People share what feels safe. Ayan. So you want customers to recommend your cupcakes. That only happens when the choice feels low risk. This gets overlooked because businesses chase excitement. Acknowledging safety increases. Ayan. Minsan mga ideas, puro concepts, dahil yung brainstorming kasi siya, naka-gear siya to brainstorming. Ngayon, gusto natin, give me actionable plans. Parang ganun yata yung ano natin eh. At least for this, for this objective, bibigyan niya tayo ng actionable plans. What to do. Yeah. Bibigyan niya tayo ng mga, ano dapat next. Decide on the cupcakes. Decide that chocolate cupcakes is not an option. They're the answer. Yun. Ganda yung messaging niya. Write posts that assume the customer is already leaning toward chocolate. Use language like, if you're unsure or when you don't want to risk it, do not list any flavors. So, why this works. In-explain din niya sa atin kung why it works. So, kunyari ito lang. Di na tayo sa plan 1. Plan 1 lang yung nagustuhan mo. Copy mo siya. Saka mo na naman siya ilalagay sa, yun na yung idea mo. Ilalagay mo na siya sa, hindi sa image. Sa weekly post. Ayan. Ayan. So, make chocolate the safe default. So, yun yung, yan lang, hindi mo na siya bigyan ng instruction kasi nga, siya na yung gagawa. Raw ideas lang. Sabihin mo, yan lang, ChatGPT. Kinonek ko lang yung dalawang, yung dalawang, So, siya na mismo nagbigay. So, these are 7-day full, grounded on plan 1. So, plan 1 yung basis niya. So, yun, Facebook copy and meron na siyang image. Some days, I notice people already know what they want. They just need confirmation. Tama naman. Chocolate cupcakes usually fall into that category. If you don't want to risk bringing something people won't touch, send us a message and we'll take care of that part. Yan. Sabihin natin, ay, napaka-English. Gusto ko Taglish. Make this Taglish. Same post pa rin. Napapansin ko, most days, alam na ng tao yung gusto nila. Kailangan lang ng konting confirmation. Chocolate cupcakes usually ganon. Ay, medyo pangit to eh. Kung ayaw mo mag-risk, sabi ko pangit yung pagkakataglish niya. So, what I'm trying to demonstrate right now is iteration na. So, we're trying to iterate and iterate para the best possible outcome yung lumabas. Sabihin mo na, Taglish does not sound good. Ayan. Sabihin natin, 90% English. And 10% Filipino or Tagalog. Yan lang, hindi na masyado Nice. So, papansin nyo, hindi siya yung baker na, hindi siya yung baker na yung sinabi ko kanina. Kasi, meron tayong master prompt eh. As long as meron kang master prompt, kahit maliit lang yung mga changes, yung mga liliit lang na iteration, they're still following the master prompt. Okay, that's how the AI works. So, yun, binigyan niya siya ng AI. Kasi, kumbaga, these stuff, yung mga lines na dinadagdag ko, these are just additional raw inputs. Which is, nakatrain yung master prompt to accept raw inputs. Kasi ChatGPT itself does not necessarily follow raw inputs. So yun, I noticed that most days people already know what they want. And medyo maano na siya. They just need confirmation. Chocolate cupcakes usually fall into that category. If you don't want to risk being na hindi papansinin, message us and we'll handle that part. Ayun, so kung pansinin niyo, 'di ba mas flowing na siya kasi madaming English, konti lang yung Filipino, pero it still relates to our customers. So yun yung picture. Ayan. Okay, so that's 1, 2, and 3 demo. Let's go to demo number 4. So here's demo number 4. We're doing realistic reels. Ayan, dito na tayo papasok dun sa mga videos. So, ito yung question. Gusto ko na magandang reels, pero ayoko ng madaming edit. So, you don't want it to be bogged down with a lot of edits. Ayan. So, and then, these are the steps. Paste down the reel you want to create and copy to the master prompt. So, I also made a master prompt for this, Reel Creator. Tapos, generate a video prompt you can paste to Dgen AI. So, for this particular demo, we are going to use Dgen AI. So, like I said, ito yung sabi ko kanina na the cheapest, unless if you can show me something cheapest na maganda yung quality. Go to Dgen and choose Sora 2 or Veo 3.1. Paste your prompt video prompt to generate your video. Review, revise, and repeat as necessary. As extra, you can use Digen's Real Motion with Lip3 for to make pictures, talk, connect clips with CapCut. And then what you get, clearer and faster process in creating a talking reel, little to no video editing, frame-to-frame video reel, potential for consistency and quality, and then you're able to make picture stock. Yeah, the ability to make picture stock. Okay, so bigyan ko kayo ng sample. So this is Veo, and this is Sora. Bigyan ko kayo ng sample. Let me know if... Teka lang. Tingnan ko muna kung Let's see if I can share this properly. Share sound. Okay, let's look at this. Same prompt, pero different model.
Ano nang gusto mo maging paglaki mo?
Of course, gusto ko maging cakepreneur. Magaling na mag-bake, maganda pa.
Ayan, so tinanong niya kung ano gusto niya maging paglaki. Gusto daw niya maging cakepreneur. Ayan. And then may mga tita sa likod. Same prompt, tapos using Sora.
Aber, anong gusto mo maging paglaki mo?
Of course, gusto ko maging cakepreneur. Magaling na mag-bake, maganda pa.
Grabe! Ang galing!
Ayan. Ano nagustuhan niyo? A, yung first or yung second? Ano sa tingin niyo? Pero ba kayo mas prefer doon? Yung 1 or yung 2? Play ko ulit ha. Ito yung 1.
Ano nang gusto mo maging paglaki mo?
Of course, gusto ko maging cakepreneur. Magaling na mag-bake, maganda pa.
Ayan. Tapos ito naman yung 2.
Aber, anong gusto mo maging paglaki
Ayun,
mo?
2.
Of course, gusto ko maging cakepreneur. Magaling na mag-bake, maganda pa.
Grabe! Ang galing!
Ayan. So, makwela siya. Pero, imagine using this for your business, diba?
Aber, anong gusto
Okay, so next sample. Ayan. Ito medyo something si Veo 3, pero maganda rin naman. Ganun nyo ito isa.
Best cake ever.
Mahal na kita.
Ayan. Best cake ever daw siya. Tapos ito naman yung Sora 2.
Best cake ever. Mahal na kita.
Oh my.
So same prompt, pero iba yung niya, iba yung atake niya. So yun yung difference ng mga model na meron tayo. If you'll notice, maikli lang din siya. So yun lang din yung kaya nung technology ngayon na 8 minutes lang. So yung mga nakikita nyo na mahaba na AI, those are all 8 minutes, 8 seconds. Those are all 8 seconds na pinagtagpi-tagpi nila together. Kaya mahaba siya tingnan. Pero sa ngayon, yung technology natin, ewan ko lang yun ha, you might know something na longer, pero at least based on my experience, 8 seconds to 10 seconds lang yan. So ito naman yung ginawa namin ni Charmaine na I know some of this na post niya eh. So sa lip sync naman to. So these pictures are generated, pero merong function si Digen na gawin niyang lip sync. So this one.
Ay, bongga. Ang sarap ng cake na to. Very yummy. Ay dry ang cake, margarine ang gamit, hindi butter. Ano kayang cocoa powder ginamit dito? Kulang pero pwede na.
Nood daw, pag hindi ka pa baker, hindi ka masyado pihikan. Pero pag baker ka na, yun. Ito naman yung isa pa.
Pabili ng 12 by 9 na mocha cake. Tapos palagay ng dedication. Salamat! 800 lang to, ate. Sure ka? Bakit ang mura? Paano kayo nag-costing nito?
So, maraming steps ginawa para gawin yung video na to. So, first, kumuha kami ng picture niya. Ginawa namin siyang mas bata. So, that's one step. Tapos, another step is creating the script. Pero actually, you can just write your own script. So, another step is, ano, putting it sa Veo, tapos putting the instructions or the script there. Tapos lalabas siya. So, mga 2 steps. Tapos kinabit ko siya. So, that's the 3rd step. Kasi hindi naman siya isang mahaba. Ano pa ba? Ayan. So, ito yung pwede natin gawin. Create a funny post of a lady delivering a cake through the rooftops. Yari, nag-deliver siya na nasa rooftop siya. Make a video of a satisfied customer recommending your cakes during a birthday party. Animate a photo of a baby version of you giving a profound quotation. Yun lang naman. So, pwede nating gawin yung isa dyan. Ito muna sa pinaka-first. Yung nagde-deliver ng cake galing sa rooftop. Pakita ko sa inyo yung interface ng DGen. So, when it comes to video, like I said, ito yung, para sa akin, at this time, ito yung best. So, hanapin mo si DGen. DGen.ai. So, bibiliin mo pa rin yung, may bayad pa rin siya, pero para sa akin, mura siya. So, you have to go to, ito yung Veo, ito naman yung Sora. So, you go to Veo. Tapos gawa tayo ng script. So, meron tayong video prompter. Lagyan natin dito yung babae na gawa tayo ng funny video. So, Filipina baker. Ano siya? Running Filipino rooftops. Delivering cake practically. Tapos ano yung maganda niyang sabihin na yung script, yung niya, yung dialogue niya. Sana hindi malate yung cake order ko. So, ganyan lang. Kahit simple lang. Sana hindi malate yung cake order ko. So, you copy that. Kasi nilagyan natin siyang pinadagdagan natin siya ng mga information sa taas. And then, i-paste natin siya dito. Ayan. So, ito yung Veo 3. Tapos, you just click this. Lalabas siya dito. Ayan. Tapos, i-try din natin siya sa Sora. Same prompt. And so matagal na siya guys, 600 seconds. So habang hinihintay natin siya, gawa tayo ng something else. Gawa tayo nung bata nagsasalita. Para lang you see the process. So I'm showing you the technology and I'm showing you the process flow. Pero yung objective, pwede nyo baguhin, of course. Pwede nyo baguhin to suit your own personal or your business needs. So, for example, let's go to here. Ito yung ginawa ko hanap ako ng profile picture ko para ano naman yung iba. Ayun, natin gawa. Kunyari ito. Malagay ka sa ChatGPT. Ayun. So, hindi mo na kailangan ng prop. Sabihin mo lang na make my photo into a chubby baby. Add color to the picture. Ganun lang. Kasi hindi naman siya ganun kabigat. Hindi naman siya So, we're just doing the one step. Getting the eyeglasses. Instructions. Tignan natin kung gagawin niyang baby. Maganda yung pagkakagawa. Tignan natin yung Sora natin. Ayan. Yun lang The current number of videos in queue is too high. Try again. Try natin again. Nandiyan pa rin naman yung connects natin. Ayan, matagal siya. Ayan. Ayan ako. Pogi ko na. So, kunyari ito, papasalitain natin siya. Ano ba nangyari dyan? Okay. So, i-copy mo siya. Nandito ako nakatingin sa isang screen, ha? Ano, guys? Ayan. Tapos, dito naman, same pa rin. Same tool. Kasi ito yung Veo, ito naman yung Sora. Tapos, punta tayo dun sa pinaka-degen lang talaga. Ito yung degen tool niya. So, lower quality, pero maganda na rin. Just for the lip sync, ha? Ito yung habol natin, yung lip sync yan. Okay? So, you have to download pala. Hindi pala siya pwede na drag and drop. So, go to back. Nagda-download mo siya. Para pumunta siya sa downloads folder. Tapos you go to degen. Upload this. Yan. upload ko siya dyan. Nandiyan na yung ano ko, mini-me version ko. Bibigay ka ng konting prompt dito na cute baby waves his hand excitedly. Pwede rin wala. Actually, pwede rin wala. Pwede mo rin siyang i-enhance. Pwede natin yung prompt enhance. Minsan nag-enhance siya. No? Close up, eye level, chubby toddler. Bibigay siya na ganyan. Slowly dolly in. Meron siya mga ganun na instruction. Tapos, sa lip motion, pipiliin mo yung Gen 3. Ayan. Sa Gen 3, pwede ka mag-upload ng sarili mong boses. Mag-record ka. Ayan, i-record na lang natin. So, mag-record ako dito ha. I-record natin yung ayan. Ayun, thank you guys for joining my AI demo class. Sa uulitin, salamat sa pag-join. See you again next time. Bye! Ayun, thank you guys for joining my AI demo class. Sa uulitin, salamat sa pag-join. See you again next time. Bye! Ayan, sabihin natin okay na yan. Pwede mo na i-stop. Pwede mo siya i-delete, tapos gawa ka bago. Pero for now, sabihin natin okay na yan. 10 seconds lang. Ayan. Tapos, from there, generate a video. Hindi nag-ano. Try natin to. Ito naman si Sora, hindi siya nagko-cooperate. So, ganun talaga guys. Minsan it won't show agad-agad. Minsan konti lang yung nakakasabay. So usually Saturday, Sunday, ayan, maraming ibang gumagamit din. Mga hindi nag-work sa bahay, they play around with this. So kaya ganun. Yung mga trade-off siya. Ito, antayin lang din natin siya. 85 seconds. Ito naman, mas mabilis. Tsaka konti lang yung meme points na kailangan niya. Kasi meron siya, ito yung points na binili ko. So, 30 lang. Pero itong si Sora, 200. Ito naman si Veo, 100. So, ano lang talaga. So, I'll show you ano mga nagawa ko before. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung mga nagawa natin before. Na-share ko na kanina. So, ito yung mga palpak. Minsan kahit bumili ka ng credits, palpak din yung lumalabas. So, I'll show you this one.
Try this cake.
Hindi niya ginamit.
와, 이 케이크 진짜 맛있어요.
Try this cake.
Ayan, so, hindi siya perfect na kaya yun din yung natin eh. Kahit maganda yung prompt mo, kahit maganda yung ano mo, minsan hindi din talaga siya perfect na. Napansin mo, hindi niya ginamit yung kutsara. Kinain lang niya bigla yung cake galing sa table, sa Tapos siya yung nagbigay, ibang babae yung hinag niya.
Cake.
Pero mo. Kinain lang niya bigla. Hala.
와, 이 케이크 진짜 맛있어요.
Iba naman yung hinag
Try
niya.
this cake.
Pero ito, na-edit ko na siya. Pero ganoon din, di ba? Ito, dapat siya magsasabi ng best cake ever. Yung babae yung nagsabi.
Best cake ever.
mahal na kita.
Ayan, so.
Best.
Ayan. Dapat yung lalaki nagsabi ng best cake ever. Tama to.
Best cake ever. Mahal na kita.
Oh my.
Mas makatotohanan itong tong second. Meron pa nga siyang background noise kung napansin niyo. Kasi pa naman ibang cakes. So kanina baby. Ito naman yung kunyari sabi niya.
Ay, bongga.
Ay, baby.
Ang sarap ga. Ang sarap ng cake na to. Ay, bongga.
Yan. Pero pag baker ka na daw, ganito na siya.
Ay, parang dry ang cake. Margarine ginamit dito, hindi butter. Ano kaya, cocoa powder to? Ay, parang dry ang cake.
Diba? Mas cute lang yung baby. Pero same joke, kumaga. Ay, madami pa. Minsan ito. Ayan. Hindi siya chubby dito. Kasi ito rin yung isa, nagbe-bake siya. Ayan. Nagde-deliver siya ng malaking cake. Ayan. Ito din.
These are the best Filipino cakes. What's your favorite?
Diba? So this is just a picture. Tapos, nag-prompt lang ako ng babae na magsasabi ng ganun. Tapos, balikan natin kung nag-work na ba. Ayan, 10 seconds na lang. So mukhang wala tayo ngayon guys. Itong si Sora at saka si Veo. For priority generation. High demand and longer wait time. So don't worry. Even after this demo, mag-show pa rin ako nito. Pero anyways, nakita nyo naman. So ito yung kunyari itong mga dati kong nagawa. Up. Ito yung tatakbo pala siya. Baby naging lumaki. Ito yung lip sync.
Hello, happy Saturday. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is relax and recharge. Bye-bye.
Okay. All right. So that's one for us. And then the last na. Overtime na tayo. So sorry guys, pero overtime na tayo. Let me give you the last demo. So ayan, demo, make a song. So we're gonna make a song using Suno. Ito yung question. Gusto ko ng catchy theme song para sa Distis ko na Urig. Ayan. Ito yung mga steps. Basahin nyo na lang later. Hindi na. Pero technically, these are 2 prompts instead of 1 prompt. So, determine the song. Alamin nyo muna kung ano gusto nyo. Write a song. Copy the prompts for the second prompt. Basta, I'll show you how I'm going to do it right now. Tapos balikan nyo na lang dito. It's the same process. So what you get, original studio produced sounding song, able to catch audience through music, boost social media engagement with music, and create theme song and jingles. So ito yung kunyari ito, level up with AI. So this particular song, ginawa ko siya for this song, or for this class. So pansinin niyo kung maganda siya o hindi. So ang ginagaya ko dito si Bruno Mars. Ayan. Ito yung lyrics sa kaliwa. Mahaba pa to pero yung first verse at saka chorus lang muna dito.
Woke up with a spark and a screen full of plans. Ideas moving faster than my coffee can. Click, click, learn it. Watch the numbers align. Future in the folder and the timing is mine. No waiting around, no guess and pray. We build with intention, then we hit upload the daily. Level up with the eye. Copy, paste, post, then we level it up. Fast lane mindset, yeah, we know what's up. A on the side and the vision on trust. Level up with the eye. We don't blind, we move smart, not rushed. Live in the future, watch the profits arise. We're amplified now, that's business with
Okay. Ayan. So ito na lang yung demo natin. Make an upbeat, catchy song about your business brand and mention your products and services. Ganun na lang. So, gawa tayo ng example. So, yun yung song creator natin. So, sino bang favorite na song ninyo? Sinong singer na gusto ninyo? So, gusto ko yung danceable na singer eh. So, sabihin natin K-pop song siya. Make a K-pop song. K-pop song about Jay's Cupcakery. Bubulat kayo, may Jay's Cupcakery na mamaya. Jay's Cupcakery. Tapos, my main product is gusto ko it must sound like butter by BTS. Familiar ba kayo sa butter? Smooth like butter. Ayan. Butter. It must sound smooth and upbeat. Ganun lang. Sige, sabihin natin. It must be danceable. It must be a dance song. Ganun na lang. Ayan. So, dance song daw siya. So, itong first na set, ikakopy mo siya. Kuha ka sa ChatGPT. Yung chat. Paste na dyan. Tapos gagawa siya ng instruction. So, while we're there, let's open Suno. So, Suno is free. Meron siyang 50 credits para sa mga users. Kahit sa level ng free, marami ka nang magagawa eh. Pero, kunyari, mahilig ka talaga gumawa ng mga songs, then you can opt to upgrade to pro. Pero for our purposes, ito lang muna siya. So, once na meron na siya, bibigyan siya ng ito yung instructions niya na nako-cover yung Tapos, ilagay natin dito yung instructions sa style. Pero kulang pa yan. Kailangan may lyrics. So, gawa tayo ng lyrics. So, to do that, kailangan lagay mo dito yung AI instructions kanina. Yung kagagawa mo lang. Tapos, kuha ka ng lyrics. Mas gusto ko na may ganitong line. I want the chorus to be catchy and repetitive. So, maganda yung repetitive. Kanina, di ba, level up, ulit-ulit. Mahilig tayo sa mga repetitive eh. Repetitive. Ayan. Tapos, saying about my main product, which is yung chocolate fudge cupcakes. Kunyari lang ha. Okay. Baka may mga mas magandang cupcake dyan. The best cupcake in Metro Manila. Ayan, so papagawa tayo ng lyrics, kakopy mo siya, and then same magawa siya ng lyrics dito. Paste. Ayan, so gumawa na siya ng lyrics. Babasahin mo siya kung nagustuhan mo siya o hindi. It's up to you. So, chocolate fudge cupcakes. Parang pangit, hindi ko feel yung lyrics niya. Pwede mo siyang baguhin. So either baguhin mo siya na ganyan or kopyahin mo na lang siya. Lagay mo sa notepad or kahit diretso na sa Suno, ilalagay mo lyrics dyan. Pero papalitan mo yung ayoko ng chocolate fudge cupcakes. Choco cupcakes lang. Choco cupcakes. Example lang to guys So, feel free to change. Lahat ng chocolate fudge, gagawin natin choco cupcakes lang. Maganda kaya ang pagkakaano nito. Ayun, saan. Tingnan natin kung maganda yung labas. Din to hit and miss din to So, minsan maganda. Actually, maganda naman talaga, pero meron din kasing medyo overbearing So, sabihin natin, okay na yan, maganda na yung lyrics, maganda na yung instructions. Meron pa yung mga advanced options. So, pwede lalaki or babae magsalita, kakanta. Dahil BTS to, lalaki yung singer. Try natin kasi kanina, level up, lalaki na Gawin natin babae yung singer this time. Lyrics mode, manual yan. Kasi manual natin nilagay. Weirdness, level style influence, yan. Pasa natin. Meron pala siyang bayad. So, Mas create workspace. Lagyan natin ng title. choco, butter. Hindi. Choco cupcakes pala. And then create. So, automatic yan, dalawa ang gagawin ni Suno. Now, here's the thing. Dahil free version siya, hindi mo siya may edit. Kasi maganda na yung song, tapos mali yung lyrics mo, hindi mo siya may edit. So, you have to pay for the ability to edit it. Ganun. Also, although this is not a big, currently, ang copyright nito nasa Suno pa. Kung gusto mo siyang gamitin for commercial use, kasi malaki na yung business mo, gusto mo na siyang pwede mo siyang mag-upgrade ka para makuha mo yung copyright na. So currently, ang ni Suno pa rin. Pero pwede mo naman siyang gamitin kung feel mo siyang gamitin. Gamitin mo siya in your own personal capacity. So try natin, baka nag-play na to. Let's try this one. Let me know if 1 or 2. Sabihin natin ito yung 1. Change natin. Ito yung 1. Kasi ito naman yung 2. Same lyrics, pero different music. So, pakinggan natin itong first. Ayan, so gumawa siya ng isa, tapos gumawa din siya ng pangalawa. Try natin itong pangalawa. So, anong mas gusto nyo? So, Choco Cupcakes 1 or Choco Cupcakes 2? 2 ba? Maganda yung 2 may style yung chorus niya. Ayan. Medyo napalpa ko lang, hindi ko nalagay yung name ng company ko. So, dapat nandyan yung Jay's Cupcakery. Ayan. Pero okay na rin. Maganda rin yung Choco Cupcakes. Kumbaga, tawag dito? Napaka-catchy niya. Catchy song. So, that's the last demo. Okay, so here's, so let's wrap it up kasi we're over time. Let me share the final slides. Okay, so, just a recap. So far, what we've been able to do is we've been able to do yung pinaka-highlight natin is yung the ability to have the 5 things that we can do. So, we're able to generate ideas. We're able to enhance image na meron na tayo. Here naman, we're able to create posts, both text and image. And then, we're also able to do realistic reels. Ihabol ko lang sa inyo yung demo nito para mas clear. And then, we also made a song for our business. So, aside from all that, we created something special for you guys, which is this one. Share this lang. Para hindi tayo uwi ng Ayan. So we created this. So gumawa ko ng 50 na super useful AI prompts to level up your business. So hindi naman lahat kaya kong i-demo, pero there are 50 prompts here on a book. It's a digital prompt book designed for small business owners, home bakers, and solo sellers who want practical help. You do not need a business degree or marketing experience to use these prompts. Simply copy-paste it into ChatGPT and add relevant details as needed. So same nung mga ginagawa ko earlier. So how to use this book, open any page and choose a prompt that fits what you need. Copy the prompt and paste it to ChatGPT and any AI tool you prefer. Add relevant data, text, or notes and the information to your details. Review the result, then refine and repeat until satisfied. And once you're satisfied with an output, use it immediately on your business, in your business. And so, bigyan ko lang kayo ng mabilis na review dun sa prompt book na yan. Okay. So this is our prompt book. So we will share you the link to this. So when you receive this, you will not, you will have to make a copy. Or I will give you a PDF at the same time, pwede rin itong Google kasi I find it useful to use this kasi madali siyang i-copy-paste. So dito lahat ng mga iba-ibang chapter. We have 5 chapters here. A chapter for writing, grammar, and message clarity. So all of you will get a copy of this. A chapter for social media and content posting. Then yung mga prompts. A chapter for orders, payments, and customer flow. A chapter for your menu, product menu and sales presentation. And finally, a chapter for organization, checklist, and daily operations. So yun, messy notes into clean list. So it's very, very useful and for any businesses. So it will help you. Okay? So that's it. More or less, it's a tool. I hope you take this as a tool for growth in using AI for leveling up your business. So I think that's it. Thank you very much. If you have questions, just feel free to reach out. Okay, so that's going to be the end of our class. So until next time, thank you. We're signing out. Bye, guys.
Level up, level up.